Hey there, future tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital payments. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money to Tap and Go in 2025. If you're tired of fumbling with cash or old-school transfers, Tap and Go is your new best friend. It's a seamless, contactless payment system that's revolutionizing how we handle money. By 2025, it's expected to be even faster and more secure with advanced AI integration. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get started in no time. First things first, what exactly is Tap and Go? It's a mobile app and service that lets you link your bank account or digital wallet for quick, tap-based transactions. To begin, make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Tap and Go 2025, and download it if you haven't already. It's free and takes just a minute. Once that's done, open the app and create or log into your account. You'll need to verify your identity, think email, phone number, and maybe a quick ID scan for security. Now, the fun part. Linking your bank. Go to the Settings menu, select Add Bank Account, and follow the prompts. This might involve entering your bank's details or using biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. Alright, let's get to the transfer itself. Navigate to the Transfer Funds section in the app. Enter the amount you want to move, select your source account, and choose Tap and Go as the destination. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Remember, in 2025, transactions are instant, so accuracy is key. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a notification once it's complete. A few tips to make this smoother. Always use a secure Wi-Fi connection for transfers, keep your app updated for the latest features, and enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. If you run into issues, Tap and Go's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it. Transferring money to Tap and Go in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Give it a try and experience the future of payments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.